And I'm gonna dump this into a bowl, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I dumped it into a bowl. And it's still got a little dirty. So you only need that. And this soap. I'm mixing some more. Pour some of that in there. Alright, do it grab a spoon. It is kind of difficult to stir with my cast, but luckily I'm getting it removed tomorrow. More if you need. So I did, I just poured in more of this soap. Yeah, you guys can see it nice. This doesn't turn exactly out like sometimes like a consistency of a Play-Doh, which I already know, but I currently don't have any more glue, so I haven't seen people make slime out of flour and stuff like this. So, yeah. Maybe it'll turn out like butter slime. We don't know. So I'm just going to, by continuing adding until it gets the paste that I want, I'll show you guys it. So with my extra flour, I just add more to it and then like create another paste. Create more so it won't be big of a waste. Hey, that kind of rhymed. Bigger paste so it won't be more of a waste. I'm dumb. So I'm technically going to turn this one into liquid so it'll go into the other one and then it'll make like more of a liquidy paste to it. So I want to make this one quite sticky. Yesterday night I did a slime package. And I accidentally deleted the clips by accident. So I'm sorry about that, guys. I like this one. So I'm just going to continue by picking more like that. And I'll show you. Okay, so since this is like a Play-Doh, you can texture. I'm going to see if it will work as butter slime. Wait, let me grab a nice silver bag. I have made butter slime before. It is quite stretchy. To be honest with you guys. I was just testing it out since it has that yellow color. I was just assuming from the sunlight. This is just dish soap and flour. I know this ain't exactly like slime, but it's something. But I just decided to add more to make it better. So maybe later I'm gonna add foam hand soap and do whatever I can to make this into a slime consistency. So it is kind of stretchy. So bye guys, hope you guys like, subscribe, and learn. And try to be official of the slimy pack. So yeah, bye guys.